How can I use a trading bot to double the 305 USD that I have in my Binance portfolio? Stay guided as I take you through, and remember the process is the same across any crypto platform. So as you can see, the crypto is in USDT form, so let's get into it without wasting time. I will head to my Chrome because I want to input the website in which the AI automated bot is hosted, which is latencybeast.com. Always ensure that you type in the correct spelling. And as you can see, we are inside the website. And as you can see, this is the layout of the website. And so I will sign in into my account. I will click on the sign in part. Remember, if you do not have an account, you can sign up and create an account. But as for me, I will proceed to log in. And as you can see, I am in my account, and as you can see my crypto portfolio, I have 0 USD. And as I told you earlier, we'll be using AI automated bots. And as you can see, this is the bot page. And so once you sign in into your account, the first step you are required is to deposit funds. So I will click on deposit funds. And as you can see, I have been provided with the crypto option as well as the card option. And for my case, I will prefer the crypto option. And as you can see, I can fund it using Bitcoin or USDT. In my case, I prefer using USDT because it is easily and quickly processed in the blockchain. And so I will proceed. I will input the amount that I want to fund. And since I had 305 in my account, I will input 305. And as you can see below, I have been provided with the address that I am supposed to use to fund my account. So I will copy the address and I will go back to my Binance. So I will click on the USDT. I will click on the send withdraw and I will do an on-chain withdrawal. Remember that we copied the address, so my work will just be to paste it successfully, just as I have done. I will input the network, which is TRC20. I will proceed to input the withdrawal amount. I will input the maximum amount and proceed to withdraw. And as you can see, I will be receiving 304 USD because 1 USD will be used as a transaction fee. So I will proceed to confirm my withdrawal. And so as you can see, the withdrawal is processing. So I will view on the history. And now I await for it to be completed and my funding to my account will be received. And so as you can see, my withdrawal has been completed successfully. So that means that my deposit into my Latency Beast account is successful. And so at this stage, I will go back to my Latency Beast account. And since I have done all the procedures correct, I will click on the dashboard. And as you can see right now, my total portfolio value is 304.20, meaning that my funding into my Latency Beast account is successful. And with that being done, we have completed the first step. So now, on to the second step, which is targeting. And what am I targeting? I am targeting a profit of 2 to 3 times from my trading capital, which is 304.20. In my case, I will be targeting around 700 to 720 USD. And with that being said, let me head now to trading. So I will scroll down to the quick actions tab. I will click on the bots part. And as you can see, I have been provided with 2 bots, the Bitcoin accumulation bot as well as the Ethereum DCA Pro bot. In my case, I always prefer and I always advise people to choose the Bitcoin accumulation bot, which has the low risk, because this will ensure that you always end up in higher profits with low risks. So I will click on the Bitcoin accumulation bot I will choose the configure part. As you can see, I will start by selecting the asset. I will click on BTC onto the investment amount, and since my balance is 304.20, I will input the maximum amount. Remember that I told you earlier I will be targeting around 720. So now I will proceed to save configuration. And with that being done, I will proceed to start the Bitcoin accumulation bot. And as you can see, I have been redirected to the Bitcoin accumulation bot page. And now all I have to do is start the bot. And so as you can see, we are already in profits, and all you require is to have patience. As you can see, the trade is ongoing successfully. So now I will be patient enough as I await to reach my target of 700 to around 720. So as you can see, we are deep in profits, and I am awaiting to arrive to my target of around 700, 720. So as you can see, all you need to require is to have patience. As you can see, I'm already halfway through, and now I am awaiting still. So as you can see, you only need to require patience until you reach your target. So as you can see, I am almost achieving my target profit. And as I told you, patience pays off. Remember, I am targeting around 700 to 720 from the 304 that I used as my trading capital. And so as you can see, I have stopped the bot and my account balance is 720.12. So I have made a profit of 415.92, and at this stage I will go back to my dashboard to check if my profits have reflected. And as you can see, my total portfolio value is 720.12. And as simple as that is how you make profit using AI automated bots in under 10 minutes. And so, having achieved your profit target, all you need to do is withdraw your funds back to Binance as your last step. And how do I go about it? I will click on withdraw. And as you can see, I have been provided with the crypto and bank option. In my case, I will prefer the crypto, and I will still choose USDT because it is the simplest and easiest, as I told you, to process. I will input the whole amount, and my whole amount is 720.12. And as you can see, I have been told to provide my wallet address. I will go back to my Binance account. I will choose on the add funds part. will do an on-chain deposit. I will select the USDT. I will confirm the TRC20 network and copy my address. I will go back to my latency beast account and I will paste my address and I will proceed to withdraw. And as you can see, the withdrawal was successful, and so I will go back to my dashboard, and as you can see, my total portfolio value is 0, meaning my withdrawal was successful as indicated. I will go back to my Binance account and I will keep on refreshing and awaiting to receive the profits into my Binance account. So as you can see, I am still refreshing and awaiting to receive my profits. So as you can see, my USDT is processing and the deposit is successful. So I will refresh my account balance, and as you can see, my account balance is 719.12 USD. Remember that I withdrew 720.12, meaning a transaction fee of 1 USDT has been charged. And so if you can recall, when we began the video, my trading capital was 305 USDT, and now I have made a profit of 414 USDT, meaning my total is 719 USDT. As simple as that, friends, is how you use AI automated bots on any crypto exchange platform to trade and make profit. I would like to remind you that you can repeat this process up to 3 times a day, and as I told you, when targeting, you need to target 2 to 3 times from the initial trading capital, because that is how best the bot works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and for further guidance and clarification. Thank you and see you on the next episode.